Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get free money in Driving Empire using working Driving Empire codes. These are definitely the best codes available for Roblox Driving Empire, allowing you to get free money, free cars and more. And it only takes a few minutes, guys, so you're definitely going to want to make sure you follow all of the instructions in this video. And yeah, I spent a long time searching for these Driving Empire codes, so I'd really appreciate it if you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, guys, I am doing a Robux gift card giveaway. To enter, you have to drop your username in the comment section below, like and subscribe. But anyway, this video is focusing on codes for Roblox Driving Empire. Like I said, you can get tons of free money. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android. You just need to make sure you have an internet connection. Now, what you're going to want to do is head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So it is very important you type it how I've typed it here, guys. You can pause the video and copy that down. Hopefully you can see that. But Crash Coupons is awesome. I've been using these a bunch for tons of different Roblox games. Now on this page, you're going to be greeted by hundreds of different codes that are not Driving Empire. So what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar at the top of the page and type in Driving Empire, and it's going to pop up if you spell it correctly, Driving Empire. This is the codes page, guys. Now there are only 2 verified codes, but both of these codes are absolutely awesome and you're going to love them. So scroll down and you can get a Driving Empire code for 10 million free cash, and you can get all cars unlocked. Look at that. That is absolutely awesome, guys. So this video is going to be focusing on getting free money in Driving Empire, but you can get free cars as well. So click on get code, and this is going to confirm your selection, guys. Get 10 million free cash in Driving Empire. Now you need to click on show full code, and this entire process of getting a 10 million free money code takes just about 3 to 5 minutes. It took me about 5 minutes, but I'm quite low IQ. So what it's going to do, guys, it's going to allocate you a code, and you can see it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So if this is your first time visiting Crash Coupons, you do need to unlock your Driving Empire code. This is completely normal. This prevents people stealing all of the limited codes. As you can see, there's 931. Someone's just used one, 930. So yeah, what you need to do to get your code is click on this button, and it's going to bring you to a new screen here, and it tells you how to unlock your Driving Empire Roblox code. It says complete 2 of the free offers to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each of the apps. Now basically you're going to have a list of mobile apps and games and surveys. They're all completely free. You need to choose any 2 of the tasks you see on this screen and make sure you follow the instructions below each one. These are really easy things as well, so just make sure you complete 2 of those, and if you do that, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons and your Driving Empire code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown in this box here. You can grab it, redeem it in game. That one's going to give you 10 million free money. So these are definitely the best Driving Empire codes in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and drop your Roblox username in the comment section below for that Robux giveaway. And yeah, hope you enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.